Tor Eckhoff, also known as Apetor, was a Norwegian YouTuber. He lived in Sandefjord, Norway, where he worked in a paint factory. Tor Eckhoff was born in Kristiansand, Norway on 22 November 1964 and moved to Sandefjord at the age of 6. According to his About page on YouTube, he worked at a paint factory in Sandefjord. In late 2018, Eckhoff uploaded a video to YouTube revealing that he had been diagnosed with colorectal cancer. Eckhoff joined YouTube on 10 October 2006 and posted his first video on 11 October 2006. His first breakthrough video, acquiring over 1 million views in the span of a week, was on Thin Sea Ice 2, which featured him ice skating, drinking vodka, diving through the ice of a frozen lake after hacking a hole through it with an axe, cutting out an ice donut with a chainsaw, and wearing it on his neck and making seal-like noises with his mouth. Indeed, these were among several reoccurring activities on his channel, all of which done clad in only underwear. His vodka of choice, Vikingfjord, was a common sight on his channel, though he claimed that he had no connection to the brand and that he had never been in touch with the company that produces it. His videos were popular internationally, notably in Eastern European countries like Poland and Russia, but also in the United States. His videos have appeared on major television channels internationally, e.g. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.